Hi, my name is Vikendas and this is Caprice, 19-foot sailing boat what I'm restoring. Thanks for watching. By the way, I used to have old hop-up, like platform to climb on the boat, but someone stole it. So now I got wooden ladder, what I'm using. Right, last week, a couple of weeks ago, whatever, installed this. So today, we're gonna take them off. I'm gonna take it off and take it off and sand them off. And so we're gonna take them off. I want to prep inside for the fiberglassing. And yeah, go from there. What I'm gonna do, I know it's time lapse, it's nice, but it has to be time lapse and probably, yeah, time lapse. Just need to sand it off and get ready. Yeah, do whatever mat it. We'll see how we're getting on today. And yeah, let's do it. Right, clean up. I can't do much today as I need to dry out and sand the wood. Don't have glue on me, but this is what we want, and we're going to start filling fiberglassing. Yeah, may as well. Let's do it. Right, a bit messy in here. What we need, what I do, fiberglass this side and then flip and it'll be fine to the other side once it's screwed back together. Yeah, on this occasion I think best idea would be just time lapse it. This is that. So, I really hate this bit of the part of building fiberglassing. Everything's so messy. And as you've seen from my previous video. But, hey, look. It's getting there. It's wetting up. Wetting up. Use that. Right, now it dries out. Let's peel this plywood and check what it looks like. It's been a while since I put this on. I've been busy with other stuff. I think too much. Couple bubbles, but that's fine. We'll cut the holes anyway. Roll down in half. They're not structurally supposed to be sound. Well, it's supposed to, but it's voila! Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. You tidy up on the corners, line it up, bang bang, happy days. So we got one, let's see, another D. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I know this video is a little bit boring at the moment because I'm just stuck in this bulkheads doing the bits that have to be done. Well, yeah, and now it's summer approaching, so it's best time for epoxy to cure. And yeah, then we can move on.